This is a southern cake that is made from scratch, and it is called the do nothing cake because basically you do nothing. We are making a do nothing cake. I know we all like easy, guys, and this is so easy. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And y'all hear my little doggy? She's getting her nails trimmed tomorrow. So she is prancing around. And we need 2 cups of granulated sugar. This just goes right in. Let me let my little doggy out. Now we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Put it right in. 2 eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla, and the little cap is exactly 1 teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I need 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. We do not drain it. We're just going to put it right in. How simple. Okay, we're just gonna mix it around. We don't use a mixer or anything. The whole point of this is to do nothing. Well, I do need to keep it in the bowl. Wow, it smells so good. First time I ever made this cake, my brother-in-law, he's passed away now, but he looked right straight at me and said, if you don't like pineapple, you don't want to eat this cake. It is so, so good. All right, so I think we got it mixed up. Okay, guys, we're going to make this in a 9 by 13, and we're going to spray it with Baker's Joy, or you can just, you know, Crisco it and put a little bit of flour. Now this is a cake from scratch that is one of the best cakes you can make. So easy, so simple. You can throw this together in no time at all. One of the easiest cakes you can make. And you'll be like a professional baker. Everybody will think you are the best cake baker if you bring this cake anywhere. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, one important thing. We need to put it in a sheet pan because we don't want the bottom to get too dark. That is a do nothing cake. We got to let it cool. Guys, we're going to frost this cake, but we're going to make the icing. We're going to put on a hot icing on top of this cake. 1 stick of butter, and we're going to put it right in our pan. Okay, we need 1 cup of granulated sugar, and we're just going to go ahead and throw it right in the pan with our butter. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just kind of keep stirring this around. And that butter and sugar are beginning to melt. Okay, now we're going to put in 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. Okay, pour it right in. I'm just going to keep stirring. We don't want it to burn. Okay, we're going to need coconut, and I need to combine my coconut. Okay, we'll go ahead and empty out this one first. We need 1 cup of coconut. Okay. And we're going to need 1 cup of walnuts. I'm going to need to chop them a little bit. They're kind of big. I hope everyone is doing good today. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. I really and truly appreciate it. I just want to say thank you for all the kind comments. You guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. I just want you to know I don't take you for granted. You're so kind and loving. I just can't believe you're such a blessing in my life. Just a few years ago, I was in so much pain, and now you guys have just restored so much love and peace in my heart with all your kind words, and I just want to say thank you. Sometimes we think there's so much sadness and, losing someone you love so much. And there's a lot of sadness and grief in that. And you guys just rallied, gave me strength, and brought me so much joy. And I just want you to know that. I don't take that for granted. That's why I really and truly want to give you the best I possibly can. This is easy, guys. If I can do it, anybody can. You guys can do this. Okay, we're letting that boil for about 3 minutes. Okay, now we're going to pour in our pecans. Our walnuts. We're going to pour in our walnuts and our coconut. Wow. Okay, so we still have our cake here, and it's still very warm. You don't even have to wait for this cake to cool. That's the amazing thing about this cake. Okay, we're just going to pour this right over the cake. That easy. Okay, we're going to let this sit here, and we're going to let it just cool down a little bit, and we're going to come back and we're going to try it. Okay, guys, this is our do nothing cake. Okay, guys, we are going to cut. Oh, I hate to even cut it. Look at that cake. This will be your new go-to. All right, we got to try this. Look at that. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh. That pineapple in that cake, that warm icing on top is absolutely ridiculously good. I can't describe it, guys. I cannot describe this cake. It's so good. You have to make this cake, guys. I'm begging you. Make this do nothing cake. You will be blown away. You're going to be blown away by this cake. I wished I could just give you a piece of it. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You guys go, oh my gosh. I just wish I could let you all know how much I appreciate your kindness and how loving and sweet you are. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.